Well guys, today's gonna be a short video update. We're seeing Bitcoin continue to fall down and sweeping the lows after the October 10th, the biggest crash and liquidation event in the history of crypto. So as I discussed in the previous videos, the final shakeout is literally playing out right now. And I believe we're still in a bull market, although there is something to be concerned, of course, time-wise. We are 1,060 days after the lows, and this has historically been the time like we should have been topped out around October 6th. However, 0 of the 30 bull market top indicators have been hit, and that makes you wonder. The bull market hasn't reached any euphoria, any altcoin season. This is how it's gonna end? I don't see how this bull market is ending in this way. For me, it's an incredible buy the dip opportunity and a final shakeout, because we do see that it's gonna be interest rate cuts coming up. The first one in the end of October. We're gonna see more money flowing into the economy. Interest rates gonna go down, and crypto ETFs are piling up. But that doesn't mean in the short term we're not seeing a volatility, which is what we're seeing right now. So Bitcoin actually did not hold this support. It's quite an important support, and it did not hold it actually over here on Wednesday, 15th of October. And we're trying to bounce back, but we got rejected. So we continue falling right now for Bitcoin and bottoming out. I believe we should bottom out somewhere around this weeks for this bull market to continue. We definitely don't want to go below $102,000 and definitely not below $98,000, because this is like the line in the sand. We can go and week below it, like we had in 7th of April. We did week below the 21-week moving average over here a little bit, right? So if we weak to $100,000, it would not surprise me, or even $98,000. In this case, altcoin will continue to bleed. We see a lot of blood in the altcoin space right now. This is total 2 is losing today quite a significant amount, from 1.58 trillion to 1.4 trillion. So almost $200 billion have been evaporated from the altcoins market, just like that. And of course, the bulls have thought that the worst is already over, but it is not. We see a continuation right now of the downside in the altcoin market. And the question is where we're gonna see this bleeding stop, because when we are in a fear mode, 28 is fear mode, this is the time to buy. It's not the time to sell, and you need to make a decision. If you believe we are in this bull market, it's not finished, none of the indicators shows that we finished the bull market, then it represents for you an incredible buy the dip opportunity. You see what happened to gold. Gold reached euphoria levels, people lining on the streets to buy gold, reaching $4,400 almost. It's absolutely crazy. I think some correction in the gold is due, and it's likely to happen. Right now, we're seeing blood in the street. If you go to the Bunter bubbles, you can see that on the day we have a lot of altcoins in the red. CoAI minus 36%, Zcash minus 18%. This is the top 100 coins over there. Double-digit losses over here. SPX, Render. If you go to the top 100 to 200, you can see here is even more crashes. Again, double digits across the board. Altcoins are suffering right now, that's for sure. But the question is, should you be fearful, or you should buy the fear? Because opportunities like this doesn't come very often. Look at the plasma is right now at 39 cents. Pretty insane. When we hit previously these levels, plasma have gone up by 40% approximately. Solana is at $177 right at the support level over here. We see $1.2 billion in liquidation the last 24 hours. Majority of them are longs. The longs do not learn. They keep getting liquidated. on this move. It was a pretty violent move on the downside, but something to be expected, as we did see weakness. I've been telling about the weakness in the charts, and we continue to bleed. So right now we need to be paying attention, because we are getting somewhere close to bottoming out. Now, whether it's gonna be $104,500 or $102,000, time is gonna tell. But the bulls needs to step in right now and defend those levels, right? So it's gonna be like the last time that we are falling, and basically it's just been a dip, right? A lot of people talk about the OGs in the extended bull market cycle, like it's not the 4-year cycle is broken, like it's going to be 5-year cycle and extended cycle. We have all of these new investors from institutions are coming, although we see some right now $530 million in yesterday were sold by the institutions. But yeah, listen to the Mexican billionaire Ricardo Salinas saying Bitcoin will 14x to $1.5 million to catch up with gold, and then it will continue to outperform. Michael Saylor is not selling, right? Grant Cardone just bought another $21 million worth of Bitcoin. They're not selling, right? So who is selling? Is those that are panicking, the retail that are panicking right now. They're the ones selling, and it's the worst time to sell. Nothing leads good when it's panic, it's blood on the streets. You should be buying. So that's a short video update for you. Okay, there is a lot of different coins like Astro, for example. I think it's a great buy over here at I was able to get it at $1.06. Once again, this rebound for the altcoins can be absolutely epic. So you need to hold your ground, chill out, breathe, relax, don't panic, and yeah, either hold or you can buy some more. It's not bad idea to buy during this blood, when there is a blood in the streets. You don't know what is going to be the absolutely bottom of this move, but if you believe the bull market is still on and we are not entering the bear market, then right now it's an absolutely incredible opportunity to buy all kinds of altcoins like Solana, for example, BNB, Avalanche. You can pick at $19, Cardano at 60 cents, Ton at $2.04, you can pick it up, Ripple at $2.23. all of these are great. Sui you can pick at $2.32. so there you go. That's something that to consider. It's not a financial advice, okay? And do your own, put your big boy pants on, so to speak, and own up to this market reality. We have some turbulence with China and Donald Trump that is happening right now. We have weakness in the Bitcoin and in the altcoins at the moment, but I think it's a short term, and we're gonna see the most hated altcoin rally in this season, because we did not see anywhere close. We did not see this altcoin season play out. We did not see. And based on this week over here, you can see over there, I mean, this is screaming altcoin season. So this is just an appearance. This is just an appearance, a little bit for the altcoins to spook up. Loaded up on altcoins right now. And if it dips a little bit deeper, well, then buy some more. But you know, I don't think it's gonna dip much deeper from here. So there you go. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next episodes of the Crypto Show.